Okay, so this exercise 3 is it's animating little video game sprites, in this case cows. Our next project, or our very first animation project, is going to be animating video game sprites that you guys pick. But before you start, I thought I would give you just a little introduction to doing it by having you complete this exercise. So what we're going to do with this is we're going to have a cow walk across the field from one side to the other. Now there's two cows, and they're named here, cow left and cow right, and basically, you know, their feet are in different positions, so it's like they're walking. And what we're going to do is make frames, and we're going to hide one cow and show one, and then we'll make another frame and we'll hide the first cow and show the second. And we'll just keep showing them alternating, and that's going to allow them to walk across. We're using a guideline so that the cows stay nice and straight. So you need to open your animation panel if you don't already have it open. And we don't want timeline mode, we want frame mode. And then what we're going to do first is copy the frame so we have a new one. And in the first frame, we're going to hide cow right. So turn off the little eyeball. In the second frame, we're going to hide cow left, and we're going to show cow right. So what we've got now starting is 1, 2. So it's like the cow's just taking a step. And we'll continue across doing that. It's nice to actually use the first cow as your guide, though, so you know where to place the second one. So to do it, you'll click and you'll make a new frame. And then I would turn on the one that's off, keeping the original one on. Use your move tool and drag the cow so it's about a cow's head in front. And then you'll turn off cow right in this case. So then I'll copy. I'm going to turn on cow right. I'll drag in front of cow left. And then I'll turn off cow left. Copy. Turn on cow left. Drag in front. And turn on cow right. So I'm just continuing that all the way across. And then the default timing is that 10 seconds, which is silly. So you can set it to whether you want your cow to be moving fast or slow. If you want your cow to pause, you can take a frame and just make that cow pause. If you want to. When you're finished, once your cow goes all the way across, then remember when you save, you're going to do a save for web and devices. And you know, you've got to pick one of these three because they're the GIFs, not the first Photoshop one. If you need to adjust colors, you can. If it looks okay the way it is, which this one does, I would just leave it. I'm at 64 right now. And then I would go ahead and say save. And then just watch where you're saving to. So, you know, I'm going to save to desktop here. And then once you're done, remember before you go in and turn it in, drag it into Safari and make sure that it plays, which that one doesn't play quite yet, but it's because I don't have it set. Set it to forever so it'll keep playing. And that's it.